You've heard the hype, you've seen the sleek designs, but what if everything you thought you knew about electric vehicles was only half the story? Here's what they're not telling you about the electric future. While Tesla grabs headlines, gas engines have gotten about 40% more efficient in the last decade, improving real-world mileage on highways and city streets. But here's the kicker. Electric vehicles can already travel 400 miles on a single charge, and public charging infrastructure has tripled in the past 2 years, from urban fast chargers to workplace and destination plugs. The real question isn't whether electric will win, it's when. Manufacturing costs for EV batteries have fallen roughly 85% since 2010, making electric ownership cheaper over 5 years even with higher upfront prices. Meanwhile, gas prices stay volatile, and routine maintenance for combustion engines can cost around $1,200 more per year. So what's probable by 2030? Expect solid-state batteries that can charge in under 10 minutes and push ranges towards 600 miles, faster charge networks along highways, and more affordable long-range models for commuters and families. Gas stations may disappear first from suburban strips, while rural drivers lean on hybrids and biofuel options for another decade. The half of the story most miss. Both technologies will coexist longer than pundits predict, but that tipping point is closer than you think, and it's already changing how we plan every trip.